for trying to take my alternator out, replace it. And I just seen a video of someone who took the motor mount and everything out to get the alternator out, raise the engine up. Don't think you need all that. So what you need to do is, first thing of all, you disconnect your battery. It's on the rear passenger seat over here. Disconnect the bottom. And then you come to the front. First thing I move is the reservoir, 2mm bolts here and there. I remove this bolt also. I don't think you need to remove this one, but you may need to remove it. Then the fuse box, this clip right here, you press the clip right there. You pull it out, and then you unscrew this 10mm bolt that goes on here. After you disconnect this one, you come down here with this half-inch which gonna move this to clip right here. Take it out and come back down here. Come down here to the tensioner. Oh, let me get some light. This tensioner right there. Where is my finger at? Yeah. And do that clockwise, like this way, and then remove this belt, put it on the side, and then you go up here. Then you go up here. I'm sorry. I still have to be back there. I got 15mm ridge. Where'd it go? For this one. This is one of the alternator bolts. It's gonna be on. That's gonna be on here, like this. That's 15mm. You untied it. This side right here, on top of that tensioner. You untied it, and then you come to the top, and then you remove this, I think 13 or 14mm nut, and this plug right here, and then you're gonna lose this bolt, 15mm. Just lose it a little bit and lose this one a little bit, and then you come with your 7mm socket or ridge. This one right here, or that one, whatever is easy for you. Took this out. After you take this out, and you already take this out, and then you will see the alternator drop to the sides. And then you gotta wiggle it until you take this out. After you take this out, it's gonna be easy to get the alternator out from here. I also removed this bracket, the one it's on this hose, so you have a space, a room to take this alternator out. So now you don't have to move this hose, you don't have to take it out, you don't have to take the motor mount out, all this. It's gonna be more easy. Thanks for watching.